Hey, what's up guys, Jaeky here. Today we're going to be checking out some ceramic keycaps by Cerakeys. Shout out to Cerakeys for sending these out for review, but as always, that does not affect my opinion. This is the Cerakeys website right here, and as you can see, they have a ton of different color options. You can choose white, black, crazed, red, indigo, pink, purple, green, yellow, canal blue, water blue, and you can also choose these keycaps either with legends or you can even get them blank if you want a cleaner look. So I just chose a very basic white color with legends, and that will run you 140 USD, but right now there is a sale going on. So these keycaps are currently retailing for $126 USD. So these are ceramic keycaps, which are higher quality than your regular plastic, PBT or ABS plastic keycaps. Ceramic is a completely different material. Ceramic is a lot more of a smooth feeling material, and it will also be cool to the touch as well. So it's sort of like a different sort of experience for keycaps if you want that for your keyboard, and it will also change the sound profile as well of your keyboard. So right now I just have some regular keycaps that I got from AliExpress on my Wooting 60HE, and I'm going to be doing a quick sound test for you guys before and after. So let's start with the sound test of my Wooting with the regular PBT keycaps. Okay, so that's how my Wooting 60HE currently sounds. So let's get into the unboxing here. So they did send out their, so this is their A set. And it's just all of the main keys here, as you can see. And this is the B set with all of the modifier keys. And you do also get your typical keycap and switch puller 2-in-1. And here is one of the ceramic keycaps close up. It's very shiny and it's cool to the touch as well, and it's a very smooth feeling keycap. The stem is plastic, so if I flip it over, the stem there is plastic, but the keycap itself is a ceramic material. So here's one last look at my Wooting with the regular keycaps before we swap them out for the ceramic keycaps. I've just finished installing all of these ceramic keycaps onto my Wooting, and it gives the keyboard sort of like this shiny look, which I really like. Definitely very premium keycaps, especially at the price range. They feel very heavy in the hand, and now that it's added onto my board, I feel like my board is even heavier than it used to be. One thing that I did notice though is since these keycaps are ceramic, the spacebar is very heavy. And so if you have lighter springs like I do on my Wooting here, it makes the spacebar feel a little bit more mushy because the springs just aren't strong enough to push it up. So if you are using lighter springs on your switches, this might be something that you want to keep in mind. But fortunately for me, my spacebar is still completely functional. It just feels a little bit more mushy than it was before. But yeah, the ceramic keycaps actually significantly changed the sound profile of the board, which you guys will hear in a second here. The sound profile of the board is a lot more deeper now, and it's more of that thocky sort of feel. So I'll just let you guys take a listen to it. So yeah, as you guys can tell, the sound profile of the keyboard changed significantly just from switching out the keycaps. And honestly, there's not much like spacing issues with the keycaps at all. None of the keycaps really rub together. But there is like some spacing inconsistencies. Like as you can see between the caps lock and the A key, the gap there is a lot smaller than the space between the A and the S key. Some certain keys, there will be spacing inconsistencies, but other than that, the set that I got, there's really been no issues with the keycaps rubbing against each other. And the reason I bring that up is because I have read some posts on Reddit of some people who have purchased the ceramic keycaps, and they have had issues with spacing where the keycaps are too close to each other and they actually make a pinging noise since they start rubbing against each other when they're typing. So that is something to keep in mind, is that might be a concern. So yeah, hopefully that does get addressed. But yeah, I definitely really like the way that this makes the keyboard feel. Like just putting my fingers on the keycaps are really satisfying. Just the feeling of the ceramic on my fingers is really, really different and unique. So if you are looking for like a premium set of keycaps that are made with a different material and you want to try out ceramic keycaps, you can definitely check these out. Again, the price point on these is definitely in the premium range. You definitely don't need to spend this much money on keycaps. But if you have the extra money and you've always wanted to try ceramic keycaps, then go ahead and give these a shot. They definitely do change the overall typing experience and sound signature of the keyboard itself. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That was my unboxing and review of the Cerakeys ceramic keycaps. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.